Nervous system of man. The function of nervous system is to coordinate the activities of our body. It is the control system of all our actions, thinking, and behavior. The nervous system helps all other systems of our body to work together. The human nervous system receives information from the surroundings, processes it, interprets it, and then responds accordingly. The nervous system also passes information from one internal system to another. Example: as soon as we put food in our mouth, it immediately causes the release of saliva from the salivary gland. Human nervous system is composed of three parts: central nervous system, CNS, peripheral nervous system, PNS, autonomic nervous system, ANS.